I greet you all and extend a warm welcome at the grand launch of the Olympus by Sumadura and Vasavi. It's the support from Hyderabad and the faith of our customers inspires us to achieve new milestones and set high standards and create exceptional projects and craftsmanship. The Olympus, it's crafted and designed to fulfill the aspirations of people of Hyderabad and also to give Hyderabad a tallest residential project which sets the standard of Hyderabad as high as sky. It's been crafted for the last 3 years, not to just add value to customers and their lives, but also add colors to the skyline of Hyderabad and the brand image of Hyderabad. Sumadura always aims to create landmark projects and signature projects, especially in Hyderabad. 3 years back, after our land acquisition of this particular project, when we went to drawing board, our idea is just to create a project which can give a best experience, better than best experience. If someone closely follow the projects of Sumadura, every coming project is an improvement or a better experience. Every project is a better experience than the preceding project. This was the aim. So when we are sitting on the drawing board, from just creating an experience, what we can add more value, how it can be a better project, in what way it can be a better project than the preceding one. How we can fulfill the aspirations of customers, aspirations of people at Hyderabad, and match the pro-government, pro-industrial government's pro-industrial and pro-industry policies. When we are having at length discussions, our architects and the design team, finally it came up with a vision of the Olympus. We have seen Mr. Vivek ji crafting this exceptional project with his great skill. Nationwide recognized skill. He took just 5 minutes to create such magnanimous project. But the Olympus requires already 3 years of designing and conceptual stage hard work and another 4.5 years of a focused, closely focused, exceptional hard work, exceptional commitment it requires to give again such promised product to all of you. You all know the year gone by, it's a very tough year. without no any what's happens tomorrow. There is no any plan, action plan. Tomorrow what kind of restriction it may come, either the pandemic or the restrictions or the safety issues, health issues of all the teams, customers, and the increased construction cost and the economy going down in some of the sectors. It hit even real estate too. Overnight, these issues or challenges are not passing by away. But Sumadura, its execution capabilities, its focus on the execution and in-house construction capabilities, with these and the support by all our customers, we are poised to overcome all these challenges and weather the storms which were there in the last 5 years and whatever it comes in future. Our commitment to give the best to the customer are better than what it is promised always. It's there in the blood and the veins of Team Sumadura. With the kind of attitude, for the over decade, we have invested hugely in the innovation. Either it's the construction technology or its internal processes or the digitalization of the customer journey with Sumadura from booking to the handover or post handover. Many of you know or you will experience, we are having an app. By the time your booking is done, you will be given login credentials, and with a touch, you can reach our team. You can raise a ticket of about what any of your concerns with Sumadura. Be it your receipt for the booking amount, whether it is TDS concern, whether it is technical issues, whether your agreement execution date or sale deed execution date or handover date, all this, everything is digitalized and you need not to visit the office of the developer. You can raise a ticket sitting at your home or even sitting in your car while going to office if work from home goes away. So our commitment, our focus is how we can fulfill the requirements of the customer and deliver the happiness for the lifetime of customer. With the aim of, with the similar aim, this particular project is coming up with, and we are launching this project. In addition to that, as a responsible citizen, me, or the responsible business house, Sumadura, we understand need to conserve the precious natural resources. Our all projects are aimed at green building certifications, and internally we monitor lot of trackers. We have lot of trackers where with least disturbance to the environment, how we can create positive spaces for our customers. The positivity, it starts from the moment the construction is started at the site. We'll always take care of the team who is working with us at site from the day one, how their well-being it is taken care so that they can build with their heart and mind for our customers. I don't want to take much of the time. After this Olympus, in the next few quarters, Sumadura is aimed at both in Bangalore and Hyderabad to launch 6 million square foot in the next 4 quarters, which We are going to infuse more than 2,000 crores in this project. In that we have residential, we have plotted development, we have co-living, co-working and commercial spaces to cater all the needs of either our customers or investors who have huge trust on us. Once again, I thank you all who took your valuable time to be here and be part of our launch celebrations, and I wish you all the best to all of you, and have a nice day. Thank you all.